multiple calls for an explosion in the stairwell on the north side of the building, possible hand amputation. Additional calls state there might be a fire in an apartment in the basement. We still have calls coming in. We're still trying to get clarifying information.
Incoming units can slow down. 95, you can have me that.
Okay, Queen 3, there's a guy definitely missing a limb. We're at the Jackson Station, so need tourniquet ASAP.
What's the location? I'm with fire. Marin 99, advise Metro will be shutting down a few roads. Stand by for update.
Is at 1071 Ave North. Nothing visible. Low rise. We have a report of one amputated hand. No signs of fire. Establishing low rise. Solid in effect. We are not on the hydrant.
You clear this with Union or 245, and you can log us to a nuisance. Call it 12 in South King.
Received a nuisance at 12 in South King.
David 3, this is going to be the Arcona apartment. We do have a window that's blown out, and we have a blood trail.
Received Arcona apartments with a window blown out and a blood trail.
Apartments, full response, responding to that location. Patient is missing a hand.
Hey, no fire. We just have the patient, victim at the Shell station. Engine 5, can you respond in, provide patient care?
It's 5, okay, we're at patient care.
We're recon the basement, make sure we have no more fire. I got a conscious male, left arm amputation. Tourniquets on.
Okay, Medic 17 just arrived. We'll be at your location in a moment.
I want a Denny.
Tom 28, I'll respond. Coming from Park 95.
There's nothing issue with that. Let's evacuate and leave this for ABS and possible secondary devices, etc.
Engine 2 apparatus from Engine 2. Let's shut down that line and back the rig up.
Okay, shutting the line down. Back there we go.
All units from command, be advised, here's the plan. We're going to evacuate the building. We're going to create a one-block exclusion zone until ABS verifies secondary devices. All units, you need a backup. We're going to move. We're going to evacuate the building, move people and apparatus one block.
Are you able to go back to Station 10, grab Haz1? It's going to get upgraded to a Hazmat.
We're currently at Station 10 and we are rolling with the Hazmat rig.
Agent 10, okay.
Number right on the explosion. Well, if you want us to move our rig, we're going to have to come out of the building. Evacuate first, and then we'll finish the last few apparatus out of the way. Ladder 4, okay. Medic 17, transporting 1 to Harbor View. Medic 18, Medic 44, need one BLS company to stand by for any additional treatment that shows up. We're going to be on Queen Anne at John. Police is controlling traffic on Queen Anne Avenue.
Do you want that to be your possible treatment area?
Affirmative. That's where we're going to stand by for the treatment area.
Okay, Command. 2 Metro buses for patients. Metro Sergeant to First and Eagle.
Report of one person stuck in elevator car number 2 at the Linkway Rail Station. Ladder 10 is active. Ladder 10 at location. Follow 2.
North. Assist with traffic control. 05362.
Okay, thank you.
Lincoln 1, we're not getting an answer at the door. Can you call the complainant? See where they're at.
100 Northwest 85th Street.
Set to Fred Meyer. It's going to be in aisle 20. Adult male, unconscious, not breathing normally.
Southbound. 21 copy. I'll
One for radio call. 12th Avenue Northwest and Northwest 65th Street for a vehicle that's parked too close to the stop sign. The gray Volkswagen. The subject uses this address for forms and transport, but he lives in an RV near the location. A white 37-foot motorhome with a
Engine 30, code green. Do you still want us moving up to station 5?
Stand by.
7 of 22 and hasn't been updated.
We're going to put all units in service, with the exception of Engine 2, Ladder 4, Medic 1, Aid 5, Ladder 1, Engine 10, Air 9, Aid 10, Engine 27, and also Engine 8, contingent upon SPD getting to the intersection to control traffic.
Ocean 11 and Sam 01 for a party welfare check.
That's 11.
Who's closest? engine 5, and ladder 6, you can code green. Engine 5, ladder 6, you can code green. Engine 6, you can respond code yellow. You're going to be closest.
Ladder 6, code green.
Ladder 1 at right here at south.
1, if you want to switch over there.
Switching.